everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Frowning Upon Mathematics. In this clip, we are going to deal with another set of questions regarding to similar figures. Yeah, you have to check on the first part of it to recall the principle of similar figures. All angles are the same and the ratio of all sides are constant. Okay, so we're going to have this one on our screen solved today. Okay, so probably there will be word problems regarding to this matter. Yeah, and you can see that there's a right angle triangle and somehow there's this um, part that should be okay, should be considered. Okay, I'm finding my pointer over here. Okay, this actually act as the barrier of the similar triangle. Okay, so which triangles that we are talking about? So we're talking about this triangle over here. I'm going to, okay, yeah, so this is the first triangle. I'm going to put it with black. Okay, and this, the next triangle is this one. I'm going to put it with green. So this is the two triangles that are similar, and we are asked to find out about that. So sorry about the not precise line that I drew earlier, but I hope that you understand the concept well. So again, we have these two triangles. So that means if we know from the data over here that CD is 144 centimeter and DA, we don't know about that, but we know that CA is 256 centimeter. This line is 180 centimeter, and probably on your textbook, on your worksheet, you have to deal with BA. Okay, so we are going back to the ratio. Yeah, the ratio principle. The ratio of all sides will be equal. So that means we can actually compare DC over DA is actually 180 subtract with AB. Yeah, once again, we can work on that instantly. So DC over DA is 144 over 144 plus 256 equals to 180. Okay, equals 180 over 80. Okay, I'm going to make this a bit neater. I'm going to put it over here and this one on top. So it's going to be, yeah, organized over there. So 144 over 400, okay, equals to 180 over AB. With cross cancelling and applying the algebraic concept, we will have AB equals to 500 centimeter. And probably in your textbook or worksheet, you will have a different set of questions asking for BD, for example. Well, obviously, you just have to rely on a lot of things. There's a lot of methods on solving BD. You can work on that with hypotenuse, yeah, because this is hypotenuse. So that's the key. You can apply the Pythagorean theorem. But it's not going to be our discussion, so we are going to move to the next figure, which is this one. Okay, again, it is given that ABC is similar to DEC. Okay, we don't have that helping line that we can compare like this. Yeah, instead we have something that is kind of twisted and placed upside down like this one. So the first instinct that you have like that, you should be aware. Yeah, because we can always go back with the part of angles that you should have learned before you learn about similar figures concept like this. One thing that I know, because it is twisted and I put that upside down, so I know for sure that the twisting part like this, so that means the angles will be the same. Yeah, because they are vertically opposing each other. So you have to check the previous concept that you have learned about the angles. Yeah, so that means this is going to be 60 degrees. And we need to know now whether 48 degrees will be this one, because it's kind of twisted. We don't know that. We don't know for sure. Yeah. So we have to check a couple of things first. But for sure, this will be 60 degrees. Yeah. So if we think that this is 60, yeah, this is 60 and this is 48 degrees. Will this be our 48? Still not sure about that. Okay. So first thing first, we are going to check is this one. For sure, 7.3 centimeter will be compared to y centimeter. Okay, now we can see that 7.3 is the opposing of this one, right? And then the sides that make 48 degrees is actually this one and this one. Okay, so this is the second observation where we can see that actually these two sides are the one that make this 48 degrees. So with that in mind, we know that this one is 48 degrees. Now we can conclude for sure that x is actually 180 degrees, subtract with 60, subtract with 48. So you will have 72 degree at the end. Okay. Once again, you need to observe things closely. Yeah. You need to be very observant in terms like this one, because if you don't see the part that can guide you onto finishing the remaining of questions, you will assume that this one is actually 48 degrees. Yeah. So, and then in couple of some of the questions like this, you cannot use your protractor. Yeah, because it is not scale to with the correct measurement like that. So it's just placed like that, and with the help of the angle size, the known angle size, you'll be able to understand the concept. You'll be able to determine the missing um, angles or missing side like this one. Okay, we're going to move on because we're going to close this clip. But before that, we need to find y. So that means we can work on this matter where BC over EC equals to 7.3 over y. Okay, so BC over EC is 8 over 10 equals to this one. I'm going to copy that. So at the end, again, using your algebraic concept, you will have that y is 9.125 centimeter. And that's how you solve these questions. I'll be seeing you guys in other videos in this channel. I hope you can comment and subscribe on this channel so we can improve each other's understanding. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.